Please like and subscribe. Now on to the rest of the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be about the Spiritu box. So the Spiritu box is a box that is curated for Latinas by Latinas. It is designed by Mexican artist Tania Peregrino. This box has over $150 of beauty and lifestyle goodies from some of our favorite brands. Spiritu is a platform that supports and features Latina entrepreneurs and creators. Members can feel good knowing that when they subscribe to Spiritu Box or make a purchase in the Spiritu shop, they are also helping us to financially support entrepreneurs and reinvest funds into community organizations. So I'm excited for this box. They had a free trial to try it out, so I got this box for free. It was on Facebook. I'll put a link down below. There's probably like a $20 off going on right now. I'm not sure, but whatever deal they have on, I'll put it down below. I'm Latina, Puerto Rican, Dominican, so supporting other Latinas is a big thing for me, and I'm excited about this box and see what's inside. And yeah, so on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, this is the Spiritu box by Latinas for Latinas, and we're going to see what we have inside this lifestyle box. Now we're opening it up, and the first thing that we have is this exercise resistant band and workout by @_salty curls. She is a Puerto Rican influencer and all-around fitness buff. The exercise resistant band comes with easy exercises you can do to get stronger and #get that booty. The next product that we have is the Michael Kors perfume. It is a full-size bottle. It is $68. So we get that. That is way more than the box already. The next thing is a bracelet made in Colombia. It is a handmade Colombian macrame bracelet, which I love, and it's $10. And I love things that are homemade. Well, handmade. Sorry. Then the next item that we have, it is the Seaweed eye cream. Sorry, that was $24.99. And then we have the Softsoap Earth Blend soap, which smells amazing. That's what I'm doing right now, smelling it. It is amazing. And then we have the hand soap, which is also really great. Now the bar soap was $3.47, and the hand soap was $2. That is a Popsocket, which I'm using on my phone at the moment, and it's so cute. It has dew on it. And then last but not least, it is a hairspray that is by Tresemme. Is a Micro Mist hairspray. Oh wait, my bad. There's one more item, and it is a Bobbie Brown Mini Luxe Lip Color in Red Velvet. Now, it's just one swipe with this Mini Luxe Lip Color in Red Velvet delivers the boldest, most vibrant colors ever. Honestly, look at it. It is really bright and bold and really nice. I didn't swatch it because I'm going to give this to someone who I know would love it. And yeah, that was everything in this Spiritu box, and I think it's really cute and I really liked it. And if you're a Latina and you want to support other Latinas, this is the box for you. So that was the Spiritu box. It was full of such cute things. The Michael Kors perfume was like, what? And yeah, I actually like it. I don't know, honestly, if I'm going to keep subscribing to it. I'm not quite sure. I'll see what next season's box is about, because this is a seasonal box. So it's 4 boxes a year: summer, spring, winter, and fall. I don't know why I started with summer, but we're in winter right now. That was the winter box. And I'll see what they have for spring. If I like it, I'll get it. If not, I'm not sure. But I do like that there is a box for Latina. So maybe out of that and me saying that I go support all Latina brands, I'll have no choice but to get the box. I'm over here bragging about being Latina. But yeah, so like always, like and subscribe. I'll put a link down on how you can get the box and about what products I received inside, even though you already saw it in the video, but I'll put it in the description anyways. And yeah, guys, like always, please like and subscribe to my channel. Share it so that your friends can see it, and you know, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye guys.